So now we're going to look at the hourly rates. So if your studio charges your students based on the total number of hours they take per week or per month, we can handle that. So we're going to go ahead and select, I went to the fees and discounts. It's under the settings here. And I'm going to switch this main discount to hourly rates. And for my example, I'll do rates per week. It just counts the total number of hours per week, but it could be per month if you wanted to do it that way. But for this example, I'll save it for the week, and we'll look at some of the details regarding this. After saving it, we're going to see a new tab appear in the settings, and it's called Weekly Rates. And basically, I've already set some up, and in our example, we have some students that are taking 1 hour and also 2 hours. So this $175 means that when we run global tuition, for example, monthly, it's going to charge the students $175 because they're taking 1 hour per week, or since it falls between 1.5 hours and 5.5 hours, if someone's taking 2 hours, it's going to charge them $195. As you can see, you could easily add some number of hours and minutes and assign a rate, and you could add it, and it would also appear in this list. For the very last item, of course, anybody taking more than 16 hours and 40 minutes would be charged $1,000, even if they took 40 hours per week. That would be a lot, wouldn't it? Okay, so now we're going to take a look at what happens now as a result of what we set up. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Global Tuition. We have some other videos about Global Tuition that you might want to watch as well, but this one should give you a good idea what happens here. So for the billing schedule, I'm going to select monthly because we're charging our students monthly for the number of hours they're taking per week during the month. Okay, and the charge category, you can create these as many as you want. They're just a way to track how much came in for that category. And I'm going to go ahead and view list first just to take a look at what we've got here. So this student here, Barbara Tallman, or this family, they have 2 hours per week that they're taking, and we have it's $195 as we saw before, and then all these other students are $175 because they're taking a 1 hour class. I'm going to go ahead and run Global Tuition, and you're going to notice over here in the status that it's going to change over to charged. So if I go and I look at Barbara Tallman's account now, in her ledger, we're going to see that she has just been charged this $195 today. Is November 25th, so 2016, of course. I don't have my dates right, this is just an example, but you can see that it's pretty easy to set up the weekly rates and charge your students global tuition on a regular basis based on the number of hours they take. If you need help or you have some extraneous examples that are a little different than the norm, feel free to contact us, and we will help you with those. There's another video that you might want to look at regarding the tuition override. All right, well, we hope that this video is helpful and that DSM will help you be successful with your studio. So thank you very much for watching.